Hello everyone, I am Swapna and you are watching my channel Computer Basics. Here we are learning about all the computer basics and fundamentals for the primary class children. Here in this video we will learn about the Windows 7 components, desktop components. So, we all know that Windows 7 is the most popular graphical user interface used everywhere. It's true that Windows came out with its latest versions of Windows 8, 10, but the Windows 7 is most popularly used every day in offices, schools and homes also. We are using the Windows 7 only because it is more compatible, it is easy to use for the different levels of people, means for the students, for the teachers and for the official works. So this is the most popular GUI, that is graphical user interface operating system. So here we will learn what are the desktop components of this Windows 7 application or operating system. So here I will explain everything here by using my laptop. So see, this is the Windows 7 desktop. Here we can see this is the Windows 7 desktop background, that means wallpaper. So these are the small pictures present on the desktop that are called icons. This is your start button. The below bar is your taskbar. And this is your notification area. This is the quick launch bar. So first see the taskbar. This is the thin strip or the long horizontal bar runs across the bottom of the desktop screen. This is the taskbar, this whole line starting from here to here. So this is the taskbar present at the bottom of the desktop. It is a long horizontal bar. It includes the start button. This is the quick launch bar. And this is the notification area. Here a clock is present showing current date and time. Now see, the first one is your start button. This one. The start button is present on the left corner of the taskbar. By clicking on this button, you can explore all the computer's applications and programs. See, here are all the programs and applications present or installed inside the computer. The start button looks like similar to the Windows button on the keyboard of the computer. See, this one is the Windows button present on the keyboard. So the start button there exactly looks like the Windows keyboard of the Windows button of the keyboard. Next one is your quick launch bar present after the start button. Here number of icons are present to quick launch the application. We can pin up any application to this quick launch bar to use or to launch this application quickly. I will show you. See, what is the process to pin up any application to the quick launch bar or to the taskbar. See, this one start button, click on that. Here all are the programs. See, if I want to pin up this VLC media player onto the taskbar, okay, so right click on that. Here one short menu will open. then here press pin to taskbar. Pin to taskbar means click on that. So that application will pin on the taskbar. See here VLC media player came. So this is the process to pin up an application to the taskbar. Now on any time you can remove this application from this taskbar also. Like see, here is the application, then right click on this. Here it's shown unpin this program from the taskbar. Click on this, then it is unpinned from the taskbar. So this is the customization for the quick lunch bar. Now see this notification area. This one is the notification area. This notification area is also called the system tray. Here you can see the current date and time, the volume button, clock and the network icon and the external hardware icons. So see, these are the external hardware icons, that are Bluetooth, pen drive, etc. Here is the charging, here is the network icon and this is the sound icon. See, this is the volume icon. You can raise the volume up and down by using this. Then this is the current date and time. Rather than this, another button is there in the last which shows the show desktop icon. This means if you have opened any item on the screen, then now you want to show the desktop, so you can click directly on this button, so you can see the desktop. You can directly get back to the desktop. So that button, the last button, this one is called arrow pick or show desktop button. So these all are the Windows 7 desktop components. I am repeating again. This is the Windows 7 desktop. Here this one is the desktop background or wallpaper. These are the small pictures present on the desktop are called icons. This is the start button. These all are the quick lunch bar or quick lunch icons. These are the notification area and this last one is the arrow pick button. So see, we can customize or we can change the appearance of all these icons on buttons or the wallpaper or the desktop background easily by using this graphical user interface. That means by using some text and some pictures. So that one I will show you in my next upcoming videos. So stay tuned with me. I hope this video is helpful for the primary child to learn the basics of the computer. If you think so, then press the like button under the video and do subscribe my channel Computer Basics. And stay connected for more fun and learn. Thanks for watching.